and dudettes, welcome back to the Fun Factory, the ill-mannered and the crazy. Today we're going to start working on the FXR again. What we have planned today is removing the shocks so that we can lift the tire, because there are two bolts that we'll show you later that are a little bit too long and that are basically rubbing up against the rear swing arm. So we got Mr. B, Mr. M, and myself, Mr. R, working on the bike again. After we get those bolts cut off, we're going to continue with the wiring for the blinkers. So stick around. Time for a beer, time for a lemonade, and let's get this party rolling.
Cheers, boys.
Well, I gotta have my beer. Give me my beer.
It's behind you, idiot. Somewhere.
No, my beer's behind you. Yeah.
What?
All right. Cheers.
Cheerio. Carry. It's so quiet. We forgot we have a cameraman.
We have an actual cameraman. Whoa, we're getting professional here, boys.
We
even got a microphone.
All the gadgets.
Everything. All the gadgets. Everything's going good. Thanks for subscribing and liking, because that's what's getting to where we are now. So
we're actually getting paid for this?
No, it's just costing us money. Let's get to work. So what we did now is we got the bolts cut off, so now it's got free play along the swing arm. I'd like to give you guys a tip on mounting.
Just a tip.
Just a tip.
Just a tip.
Another tip.
Makes them go crazy.
The tip is that when you're installing this, make sure that you have your handle, your brake handle pushed in, because there's a little lip on there that will break off the switch. So, and it won't fit properly. So push it in a little bit and then place your housings in the right position, hold on tight, then you can let go. And then you can screw it on. You let it go and it comes loose and you try it again, it'll break off. The switch will break off. That's a bitch to work with. Well, there we are. We finished up the FXR. The owner's going to come pick it up this week. We put on the cowl. We put in new oil in the front fork suspensions. We put in new seals. We put in the wiring for it. We put in the new blinkers on the back, and she's ready to go. The next bike is going to be Mr. B's Miss D.
Perversion.
What do we got to do with the perversion?
Change front forks, new chain and sprocket.
Okay, seals and oil in the suspension, front suspension, and chain and sprockets. So stick around for that one, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Dudes and dudettes, the time has come. Mr. R 2.0 has come to pick up his machine. So let's see what we can do. Let's see how it runs, and watch him go away. The paint job. The keys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yet.
No.
There you go. I knew you could do it. It's been a while since you've ridden.
Yeah. So tell me.
So now that we finally got the bike up and running, we're gonna give him a little present to take with him so he can not forget us.
Some nice stickers.
Stickers. There you go. To hang up in your garage.
I will.
I like that helmet. I want to get a helmet like that. That's Shark, isn't it, or whatever it was?
It's
Sure.
from South Korea.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It is.
There you go. That's what I need. Get rid of that roof up.